koala fans. Today, I'm going to be making some clear slime that is colored this pink and with some glitter. So I'm really excited about that, and we'll see how it goes. So here is my clear slime. Clear glue. Gosh. And it says ideal for slime making. So I thought it would be perfect for my show because it's ideal for slime making. Okay. Well, I used a lot of that. Okay. So let's see how thick it is. Oh my gosh, it is really thin. I think we're going to need some baking soda in there. Hopefully not, though. Oh gosh, the cover is still on there. Yeah. Can't get like a lot of that. I don't know how much that's actually colored because I can't see it in the pink bowl, but yeah, it looks pink, but it's in a pink bowl, so I wouldn't trust that. I'm really excited about this. I've never made clear slime. Well, I attempted to, but it didn't really work out that good. Okay. I don't want to add like too much because I don't know what it's going to look like in the clear slime. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty in the clear slime. That looks amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, I think that's enough. We can start adding in the activator. Hopefully it activates. I'm gonna add a water activator because, okay, after I added, really overactivated it, it's not activating. So it's just like adding water to it. Oh gosh, I don't want to add baking soda at all. I don't. It doesn't make it look clear anymore. But this looks so pretty. Still, I think it looks good. Gosh, that is not activating. For some reason, it's not activating. That's like still gluey. Yeah, it's in the stage of becoming slimy. It's not yet slime though. Oh gosh. I don't know why this is not working. I'm gonna add a little more baking soda and a little more slime solution. Okay, this is kind of activating now. It's just the glue is like not for slime making. It says it's for slime making, but it's not. It's not. It just, I don't know. The other clear glue is better. You just had to add like a drop of baking soda and it worked. But this, it seems like it's not coming together. No, you're supposed to make slime from glue. And this seems like it's just being experimental here. And I'm not getting anywhere with the slime. Wow. Okay. See how much baking soda I've added? I've added like 10 of those. Okay, well, I might have to mix for a while and then come back to you guys. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I have such a surprise. So I mixed it in and I activated it, and listen to this. It's like crunchy. Like, I don't know if that's from the glitter, but I really didn't add that much glitter. And yeah, that is, well, let's try an ASMR. Huh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, guys, that didn't work out that well. That is horrible. Just horrible. Well, I don't know what to say about that. Let's try making some more. Like, I really want to make clear slime. Maybe I just need to mix harder or something. But that did not go well. Okay, let's try adding a little bit of water so it gets harder. Okay, I'm gonna use my drinking water. Oh, that's a little too much. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I really don't care about this one. Oh my gosh, this literally feels like water. And oh my gosh, I need to show you this, guys. Okay, guys, this is not water. It's glue. And look at the glue here. Just this. This and see how jiggly that is? Let's try to activate it. I'm trying to put like a bunch of activator in it. Oh my gosh, is it coming together? No, it's not quite coming together. Just a little bit of baking soda. Please, please, please. I really want to make this. Oh, that seems like slime. That is my clear slime. Just kidding. I'm gonna keep on doing this. This is not going well. Oh gosh. I do not know what to do. I just put like more activator than glue, guys. Oh my gosh, it's activating it. I'm making clear slime, guys. But I had to put like, oh my gosh, that feels so cool. Okay, guys, this is not regular slime. It's like wet, but not wet. Like it doesn't get your hands wet, but it's wet. Oh my gosh. Look, I need to get this on my table. This is like goop. I just made goop, guys. Okay, it looks like I'm just pouring goop onto my table, but it's slime, guys. Okay, I need to make more of this on my show. Okay, check this out. Okay, look. But look, it comes straight off. Oh my gosh, it's totally like goop. I love this stuff. It's so oozy and stretchy. Oh my gosh, this is such a surprise to me, guys. Like, I've never been able to make clear slime, But this is so much better than slime, guys. Like, I need to start making this. Okay, wow. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so oozy and jiggly. It's just like the best thing ever. It's so sticky, though. But I love it. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you played with this in real life, like, this is so satisfying. And I made clear slime! Hooray! I love clear slime. I love clear slime. I love gloop too. I love goop. 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 It's so squishy. This is the stuff that comes in your stress balls, guys. You know those balls, like, when you squeeze them, bubbles come out? And they have slime in them. Like, I cut one up once, and there was slime in there. It is really cool. So, yeah. Like, this is the stuff they get out of there. And I don't know, they probably don't make it out of glue, but this is, like, amazing. I love it. Okay, well, this is amazing. I'll make some more of my show. But for now, bye, Koala fans. See you next time. Oh, wait. I need to tell you one more thing. So, if you... Oh, an ASMR. So sticky. Okay, it doesn't really do an ASMR because it's kind of jiggly. But, so, if you, aren't subscribed and you want me to do a show, subscribe down below. And you'll be able to comment down below, and tell me, like, what you want on my show. So, bye. Thank you for watching.